no pancakes.
Wake up! Wake up! It's morning already! Daddy, your eyes are not open.
They are open a little bit.
Not enough, Daddy!
Good morning, everyone. John, time to wake up.
Come on. Which one is coffee? Yes.
Okay, new day. Let's go.
Find you, find.
Bella, your nose.
I know. It's a new look.
Did you see that? Perfect flip. Still counts.
Are they ready? Are they ready yet? I can smell them, Daddy.
Almost. Oh no.
Beautiful.
Wait for mommy.
Good morning, family.
Good morning, Mom.
Ah, you made pancakes.
And I flipped them perfectly.
Amazing. Let's eat.
Penny, I think there's enough syrup already.
I think it needs a little more.
Bella, darling, your face.
It's all under control, Mom.
That was perfect.
So, should we start getting ready?
Perfect. That was not a slide. I meant to do that.
Girls, time to get dressed. We need to leave in 30 minutes.
Okay, Mommy! What do you want to wear? Something pretty. They're all pretty. But only one is perfect. None of these are right. Bella, you have clothes on the ceiling fan. This one. Ready.
Good morning again, Bella.
Daddy, can I comb your hair? You're very handsome, Daddy,
Thank you, Bella.
but your hair is messy.
I know.
You look amazing.
I'll need to fix this.
Done. Beautiful.
Good. There is something wrong with this shoe. It's on the wrong foot.
Guys, we have 15 minutes. Guys. Shoes, bags, jackets.
I can't find my key. Oh, wait, they're on the hook.
At least we have that now.
You're sitting on top of it, Penny. I found my bag.
You were sitting on it.
I was keeping it safe.
Done. Ah, much better. They were on the wrong feet, Bella.
I knew it!
Okay, keys, check, bags, check, girls' dress.
Daddy, you have syrup on your shirt.
Oh, so I do. Can you see it?
Yes, absolutely. Sean, that made it bigger.
I always carry these because of Penny. That's not fair.
Thank you, Bella. There we go. Key is in my pocket. We are not doing that again.
We are ready! We are also late!
Every morning is an adventure.
An adventure with syrup.
Oh,
Penny, is that a rain boot?
maybe. You have one sandal and one boot. I can see that, Bella. Thank you.
We need to go back.
How did this happen?
Ready. Both sandals, check. Both sandals, check.
Both sandals? Check.
I am glad we checked our shoes. I am glad we had wet wipes.
I am glad we have the key.
I am glad we are finally leaving.
Bella, do you think every morning is like this? Only the best ones. I like our mornings. Me too.
We are only 5 minutes late.
Really? That is practically on time for us.
Should we be proud?
We made it!
We always make it.
Eventually.
So, that was our morning routine.
It was a great morning.
Tomorrow we check shoes before we leave the house.
We know, Mommy.
Did you enjoy practicing with us today? Don't forget to leave a big like.
And make sure to click the floating button right here to subscribe to the Twin Sisters Slow English. Click on the videos on the screen to keep learning and improving your English with us.
We want to hear from you. Put your ideas for our next videos in the comments below. See you next time.